Coming to question number 3. Which of the following is against the idea portrayed in the passage? In other words, which of these statements is not supported by the passage and is the opposite of what the passage is saying? This question can be answered by either identifying the correct option or by eliminating the incorrect options, or if we just read the answer options carefully and apply a little logic, we can directly answer this question even without reading the passage. If we read this option B, it says that the process of adaptation to climate change does not take into account the factor of prevailing national circumstances. Now, national circumstances means what the nation or the country is going through. Suppose if the nation has severe poverty, then the first priority of the government will be to ensure that the basic necessities for survival, such as food, water and shelter, are made available to the citizens. The country cannot be expected to ignore the situation and such national circumstances and work on climate change related matters. Similarly, if the country is at war, then the survival of the country is of primary importance. All the resources may have been focused on the war efforts, and the country cannot ignore the circumstances and work on adapting to climate change. So this statement B by itself is incorrect. So like this, by applying a little common sense and reading the answer options carefully, this question can be answered directly without even referring to the passage. Even when we read the passage, it says that the need of adaptation interventions depends on national circumstances, which is the opposite of statement B. Now let us quickly see how the other statements are supported by the passage. The passage talks about national adaptation plans and that local coping strategies and knowledge must be used in synergy with government and local interventions, which means that the passage is saying that coordination between regional and national efforts is necessary. Vulnerability to climate change also has social, economic and political dimensions. So the passage is supporting the statement that social dimensions of climate change also need to be appreciated. Here the passage is talking about the importance of traditional knowledge. Here it is talking about the need for synergy between local strategies and government interventions. And here it is saying that apart from technological options, other strategies are also essential. When we interpret all of these, the passage is supporting the statement that combining traditional knowledge with appropriate technology is the need of the hour. So option B is not supported and the other options are supported by the passage.